Breakout YouTube channel proudly present. Hello everyone, welcome to the Breakout YouTube channel. Let's dive into the wedge. Okay, what is wedge? A wedge is a price action chart patterns formed when price moves between two converging trend lines. It shows that momentum is slowing and after and often leads to a strong breakout. Okay, characteristic of a wedge. Two converging trend line. There should be two converging trend line, higher highs and higher lows. It is for rising wedge. Lower highs, lower low, decreasing volatility, volume often decreases, strong breakout at the end. This is for falling wedge. Okay, don't worry, I will show you all these characteristic on the chart and also in the picture. Okay, we have two types of wedge. The first one is rising wedge and the second one is falling wedge. In rising wedge, usually bearish price moves upward while the trend line converge, usually breaks downward. Falling wedge, usually bullish price move downward while the trend lines converge, usually breaks upward. Okay, this is the picture. As you can see here, rising wedge, there is an upward. Okay, in this upward, you can see the price is consolidating upward in upward trend. When you see this consolidation, you can anticipate that a trend line is in weakness, and this trend line will convert to the downtrend as this. Okay, as you can see, this is an uptrend. By this consolidation, you can anticipate that this is a weak trend. And there is a battle between buyers and seller. And as you can see, the buyers are losing momentum here, and the price will be in downtrend. And falling wedge also, you can see here downtrend, and the price is consolidating in downtrend, and you can anticipate that price will that price will be in uptrend because there is battle between buyers and sellers, and as you can see, the sellers are losing momentum here in this converging area, that is between two converging line. And this consolidation, this rising wedge consolidation and falling wedge consolidation, tells us that the trend is in changing, and you have to be awake for your entry for trading. Okay, rising wedge. In rising wedge, you will see higher highs, higher lows. Buyers losing momentum, as I told you. Bearish breakout expected. Okay, when you can enter to the market. Entry, sell after candle close below support, stop loss above the last swing high. Okay, don't worry, I will show you on the chart. Okay, falling wedge characteristics: lows, lower highs, lower lows, selling, losing momentum, bullish breakout expected. Okay, when you can enter to the market, buy after candles close above resistance, stop loss below the last swing low. Okay, as I told you, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher low is in the rising wedge. Rising wedge, when you see wedge in the uptrend, and you see the consolidation of the price, you can easily trade downtrend. But there should be a very good setup for you. There should be a very good trigger point for you. By that trigger point, you can easily enter to the market. Note this that 90% of wedge will pull back here. Okay, will pull back. Wait for the pullback, and after pullback you can enter to the market. Or wait of the pullback, you can enter here. You can enter here, and your stop loss will be here. And this breakout will be powerful. And lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower low, lower low, lower low. This consolidation is for uptrend because it is in the downtrend. In downtrend consolidation, identify for us that price is in consolidation. Seller is losing momentum for that cause. The next movement of price will be upward. Why wedge works? The market moves because of the battle between buyer and seller. Inside the wedge, momentum weakness, volatility decrease, price becomes compressed. Eventually, one side wins, creating a breakout. Okay, common mistake trading before breakout. Okay, some traders enter in the middle of the wedge. It is worse. It is bullshit. And ignoring volume, poor stop loss placement, and confusing wedge with channel chasing price after breakout. Wedge trade and loads. Okay, when you see wedge, you have to apply these points. Wait for the wedge to complete. Wait for the candles close outside the wedge. Confirm with volume. Never enter before confirmation. Manage your risk. Okay, guys, manage your risk is very important. It is another knowledge that is very crucial for trader. Without risk management, okay, your strategy is meaningless. Okay, live chart analysis. Let's dive into the trading view and analyze the wedge. Okay, welcome to the trading view. As you see here, the price is an uptrend, and here you can see the higher high, and higher low, higher low, higher low. It means this is a rising wedge because the price is an upward, and here you see higher high, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher low, higher low. And this consolidation tells us that there is battles between buyers and seller, and these battles identify for us that buyers are losing momentum here in this area, and the next action of the market will be downward. Your stop loss will be here after, okay, above this shadow after this high, above this shadow, your stop loss will be here. Your stop loss will be here, and your entry will be here. If you lost this breakout, you can easily enter here in this pullback. I told you that 90% of wedge will pull back. You can enter in the pullback, and you can enter in this breakout.